Over.
Alright, that was the boiler room style.
Oh no, it was on the whole time.
They only got Nate on tape.
It
wasn't on?
Only one time on tape.
It was on.
Boiler room style, physical boiler room style. Will be coming to a club near you, a live grungy moment, a club near you, whatever. It's on. We got Big up here. We got Ty, we got Antonio, we got Chico, we got DB, we got Chef, we got Ramsey, we got everybody, we got Omar, we got Ketchup, we got everybody.
This is Mr. Just Lift. Just Lift. Remember this? Just Lift. Easy.
We got DJ Ramsey in the place to be, you know what I'm saying? Represent for the ones and two, you know what I'm saying? Real hip hop.
You're obsessed with more than say right, loving more than dead life.
stone Christ. You can try to kill me, but you can't hurt me. You can bring me wherever you want. You can never break me, won't penetrate once I get off in my zone. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. I'm zoning in, zoning out, 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 zoning out. Zone out, zone, zone out, zone. Black out on them, black out on them, black out on them, black out on them. Go off in the zone, zone out, zone out, zone out, zone out. Black out on them, 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 black out on them. See what's happening right now. You really know what we came up in. Just a movement. And we move. Let's go. On the edge, out my mind, every day. Chasing dollar signs. Hustle, that's all I know. But I do hustle, that's what we do. I should be in the pen, like Larry Hoover. For flipping words. my life. Hallelujah. This is all my dirt and all my dogs that's in the pen, never coming home. Watch close, cause the race is on. Flame told me black out on them, go off in the sound. Cause I hear them talk, but they ain't saying nothing. The radio be on, but they ain't playing nothing. That's why we had to take this to the top. Told them break it till it pop. Gonna cut that thing up and let it knock. They hear it coming, 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 let it knock. They hear it coming. Let your foot juice down and turn it up until it pop. Just let it knock. I don't think y'all know what's happening, man. This ain't a game. Ain't nobody playing. I had to bring my jersey with me. Yo, bro, you say you hard, I suggest you stop. Guessing it must be labels if you rollin' up black seed. It's all good till somebody get shot. Then we find out invincible is something you got. Turn on my radio, why did I hit you with G in the middle of danger? Then everything changed when I told me get the pop pop up and kinda like a drum major. Ain't no shit that you hear, it's the sound of a life of destruction that comes to an end. That should be something you fear. That's why I rep the Lord's power, turn this into soldiers. They see these streets and wreck your life. Bulldozer, I introduce you to the Christ, boy, you don't know. Stay on my track, kinda like coffee. Closures, it's a shame we got fame in the life we live on mountain earth. Christ game, y'all know his name. Best believe that I stand for something. I fight the norm, whether it's cool or not. And if you feel the same, turn the music up and let it knock. Cut.